Hi there! Today, I'm showing you how to turn a simple job post into a powerful recruitment video using RenderLion's Job Post to Video Converter. Let's dive in. First, log in or sign up to your RenderLion account. Then head over to the Job Post to Video Converter. You can click Turn Job Post into Video. Or, like I did, just go straight to Content to Video from the top menu. Next, paste in your job description, company details, or any key info you want to include. In my example, I'm using a marketing manager role at Squarespace. But remember, RenderLion works with any kind of text in any language. Now the fun begins. Click Generate and watch RenderLion's AI go to work, analyzing your job post, breaking it into slides, writing a voiceover script, and assembling a ready-to-preview video. And bam! Less than a minute later, we've got our first animated previews. Now let's talk about style. If you've already created a custom brand style in RenderLion, this is where you can apply it. For this job post video, I chose one of mine to keep everything consistent. Fonts, colors, logo, even brand name. Didn't set one up yet? No problem. Just leave it on random and let the AI handle it. Next, I selected a random ambient track for background music. But you can always let the AI pick something for you and speed through to the fun part. Now, click on the Edit Content button to make changes to the AI-generated content from your job post. For my example, I added 3 images related to a marketing role in a digital company. You can rearrange the image order, delete or upload new ones, even remove image backgrounds, though I skipped that step this time. You can also change the text-to-speech voice, tweak the voiceover script, and edit the slide text to match your tone and style. Once you're done, just click Update and your changes are instantly applied to the animated previews. And don't forget, RenderLion automatically generates each video in 3 formats: Square, Portrait, and Landscape. For this demo, I set the preview to Square, but behind the scenes, all 3 formats are being built and rendered, so you're always ready for any platform. Alright, now let the magic begin. Click the New Instant Hunt button, and RenderLion will instantly generate a fresh set of 3 animated video previews based on your job description. Hover over any preview to see the animation in action. If one catches your eye, just click Save, and it'll be waiting for you in your My Videos section for later. Each time you click New Instant Hunt, a brand new set of animations is created in less than a second. It's like spinning a creative slot machine loaded with thousands of style combinations, transitions, and layouts. Honestly, it's wild how many variations RenderLion can generate from a single job post. For me, I'm stopping right here. I'm loving this preview with the glitch effect. Let's click on it and see what happens next. You can always edit this video later or reuse it as a template for future job ads. But for now, let's turn this preview into the real deal. Click the Render to Download button to generate your final video. I'm also rendering it in portrait and landscape formats. Just switch the preview size and click Render to Download again. Easy peasy. The rendering process might take a few minutes depending on animation complexity, video length, and server load, but trust me, RenderLion takes care of it all. Once it's done, you've got a ready-to-share, high-resolution video, complete with voiceover and music. Your job post just became a standout recruitment video. And here's a bonus. RenderLion also generates thumbnail images for each format, so you can use them in social posts, newsletters, career pages, wherever you need that extra visual impact. In just minutes, your static job ad becomes a dynamic, attention-grabbing video. Ready to turn your next job post into a high-impact video ad? Head to RenderLion.com. Render smarter, recruit better. Let your brand roar with RenderLion.